Good morning to all. I am Vijender Saini, PGT Mathematics in KM Public School, Bhiwani. Today I am here to represent the school on the occasion of Engineer Day. Today India is celebrating Indian National Engineer Day. Engineering Day in India is celebrated as tribute to the greatest Indian engineer and Bharat Ratna Sir Mokshgundam Vishveshwarya. He was born on September 15, 1861 to a Telugu family in Karnataka. He completed his primary education in his hometown and later moved to Bangalore for his higher study. After pursuing PG degree in arts, he changed track and went for a degree in civil engineering from the College of Engineering in Pune. He was not only one of the greatest Indian civil engineers but also served as 19th Diwan of Mysore from 1912 to 1990. He received Indian highest honor Bharat Ratna in 1955. He was knighted as the Knight Commander for the British Indian Empire by King George V for his contribution to the public goods. He was the chief engineer of Krishnan Sagar Dam in the northwest, superb to Mysore city. He was expert in irrigation technique and food disaster management. Now, India has the largest number of engineers as well as largest number of engineering education institutes and infrastructure in world. India annually producing 1 million engineering graduates, has 3500 engineering colleges, 3400 polytechnics and 200 school planning to architectures and many more industrial training institutes.
Hello friends, I am Shweta from class 11C. Today I represent some sentences about Engineers Day. Engineers play a vital role in the development of a nation. Countries around the world to celebrate the Engineering Day to appreciate the contribution of engineers. In India, we are celebrating the National Engineering Day on 15 September, the birth anniversary Mokshgundam Vishvarya. Mokshgundam Vishvarya was one of the greatest engineers in our country. He was honored with Bharat Ratna in 1955. He was also known as Diwan of Mysore. Mokshgundam Vishvarya is an inspiration to engineers countrywide. Engineering Day is celebrated in schools, colleges across the country. In schools, the children dress up as their favorite engineers and carry out enactments. Engineering Day is celebrated, honors the hardworking engineers and inspire the young children to pursue the profession. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Suraj from class 5th B. I want to be an engineer. I would be a very clever engineer. I would be make and design machines. I would design dam, road and bridge. Machines would do work fast and clean. I would use my knowledge and skills. I would carry out maintenance and repair. I may work in a big industry. I may run my own little factory. I would apply my knowledge for world success.
Hello, myself Nidhi Sharawat from class 11C. Now I will say you something about the World Engineering Day. This day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Mokshgundam Vishvarya. He was born on 15 September 1861. He was also awarded by Bharat Ratna on 1955. Mokshgundam Vishvarya is also known by Diwan of the Mysore. This day is celebrated in India to thank our engineers for their contribution to society. This day is also celebrated at different days across the world to honor our engineers. Students of engineering colleges organize various cultural and academic events. Debates, speeches, essay writing competition are conducted based on the theme of this day. The main motto of celebrating this day is to motivate students towards the scope of engineering. Thank you.